What's up guys? Oh good, my name is Henry. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the backyard eggs before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the backyard eggs works. What are backyard eggs? Backyard eggs are pasture-raised eggs from Vital Farms, a trusted name in ethical and sustainable egg farming. Each hen gets over 108 square feet of pasture, allowing them to roam freely, forage naturally, and level up your life. Are they worth it? If you're someone who values quality, animal welfare, and great taste, then yes, backyard eggs are definitely worth it. While they may not carry the USDA organic label, their pasture-raised, humane certified approach puts them far ahead of conventional eggs.